The lava is hot. Cold. The iceberg is cold. Day. The day is bright. Night. The night is dark. Tall. The giraffe is tall. Short. The penguin is short. Fast. The race car is fast. Slow. The snail is slow. Heavy. The elephant is heavy. Slight. The feather is light. Happy. The lion is happy. Sad. The lion is sad. Big. The elephant is big. Small. The ant is small. Open. The treasure chest is open. Close. The treasure chest is close. Swim. The fish can swim. Fly. The bird can fly.